How to identity confirmation or confirm your identity on your Facebook. In today's video, we learn how to do that. Let's gonna do it. So first, you should open your Facebook, and then you have to come directly and open your this three line at the top of the screen. Open after that your settings, and right now you should go and click here on Meta. Come right now and open your personal data. Click on identity confirmation and click here, for example, confirm your identity and protect your account. If you want to protect it, you have, for example, to choose something here, text or SMS. You will add your phone number, click confirm, and then they will send you a code, and you will write your password. Then you will finish the other step, and then you will confirm your identity on your Facebook. So that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And